Philippine authorities rushed on Monday to distribute aid to thousands of evacuees after Typhoon Noru made landfall in the capital and northern provinces, leaving at least 5 dead and many areas flooded. President ordered supplies be airlifted and cleanup equipment be provided to most affected communities. Luzon, which accounts for more than 2/3 of the economy and roughly half of the country's 110 million population, started cleanup operations as floods in the capital region had started subsiding, officials said. Noru made landfall as a Category 3 typhoon but weakened as it traversed land on Sunday night. The storm was headed out over the South China Sea and toward Vietnam, according to the state weather agency. The Philippines, an archipelago of more than 7,600 islands, sees an average of 20 tropical storms yearly. In 2013, one of the most powerful tropical cyclones ever recorded, killed 6,300 people.